Okay, this is the last area that we're finishing up with. This gives you an idea how much it'll push. We got about, I don't know, 2 inches. Flips really easily. The blew pretty hard last night, so it's all concentrated in this one area of the house. It's drifted about maybe 6 inches there by the door, so it'll give you an idea of how easily it pushes and flips. We have about 4 hours of pushing the snow when we get snow here in Park City. So the 36-inch caster does a great job for us. This is we've had this for approximately 12 years, and we're on our 2nd blade and getting ready to order a 3rd blade because we utilize it so much. There's our pile. It was pretty cold last night. Got down to -1 here in Park City. We got about 6 inches of snow yesterday. Got it all shoveled off before we went to bed last night, and got another 2 or 3 this morning. So that's kind of what we're cleaning up with. Hope this video helps. Whoop, kind of in the way.